Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions and you got to reply. Are you very interested in fashion and clothes?
These days, if someone is not interested in it should be a backward guy. So definitely, I am very interested in most in fashions recently.
Okay, so this should be a little conclusion and try to elaborate a little more. Okay, let's go on. Do you have a good collection of nice clothes?
Yeah, I prefer to have new jeans, and the jeans is not always a cotton type of jeans. It can be any. It could be a winter jeans or summer jeans. So I would love to have some new also.
Okay, that's good. Now, instead of just talking about jeans, you can talk about collection of clothes. Like
Okay.
you say, formal
Sneakers
clothes,
or
casual clothes. You just talked about jeans. So instead of jeans, you can talk about
because I
some
am
formal.
fascinated
Ye-
about that.
Okay, right. All right, let's go on. What kind of clothes do you usually wear?
Normally, during my when I live in Pakistan, I usually wear shalwar kameez, which is our traditional dress. But outside Pakistan, I usually use pant shirt, and normally in at home I use pajamas or
All right.
casual wearing.
Okay, that's good. How often do you go for shopping for clothes?
Uh, because I love new clothes very much, so that's why it's oftenly it's my usual time when I go for shopping, like every weekends or during any day. Just I want to try any new thing, then I go for a walking or search on Adras or any online app.
Okay, all right, that's fine. Just need to organize your ideas and try to, you know what you say, come towards conclusion. And in one sentence, you should give proper conclusion. Okay?
Okay.
Overall, it's fine. Let's go on. It's your turn. Do you like texting? Do you like texting your friends?
Depend upon circumstances.
Set the mic, please.
जी, depend upon circumstances.
Depending upon the circumstances.
Depending upon the circumstances, if I have a close friend, I try to voice message instead of text message. But usually, if I have some formal person, I try to text message.
Okay. Do you prefer sending or receiving messages?
It's a vice versa circumstances. Usually, if you do the send them text message, obviously someone send you a text message also. And another, if you do voice message, obviously the someone send you the voice message. But I try to mostly the voice message preferably.
Okay, so you just need to talk about sending or receiving.
Receiving.
Right? Mainly that is the question. Okay, have you ever received a confusing text message?
Most of the times, because usually people don't have any time and they don't do anything regularly. Every early morning I got different type of messages and I try to block those guys.
All right, okay, that's good. Just try to add a couple of sentences to your answer. Speak pleasantly with a smile on your face.
Yes.
It'll be fine, okay? Thank you so much.